Hi everyone, this is Anna with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I'm back today with a video to show you a card made with our new Playful Pets product suite. We all love our little fur babies, right? I know some of us might even love them more than we love our children. So anyway, I wanted to show you this card that I think is really cute. And actually, here's the cat sample, but the one we make during the video is going to be very similar to this, but with a dog. So here's the Pampered Pets stamp set that goes with this product suite. We're going to use it for the greeting on the inside. This is the Playful Pets Designer Series paper. These are some of the prints. These are not all of them, but you can see a few of the really cute ones. And one of the really cool things about this designer paper pack is, I'm going to pull out a couple of these in particular, that these pets coordinate with some of the dies in the Coordinating Pets die set. So this coordinates with the stamp set, but they also coordinate with the paper. So this dog in particular is the one we're going to use on the card we're making here in a minute. This cat is the one on the card that I just showed you. So I did not stamp and die cut this cat or this dog. I just use those die cuts and I punch them right out of that paper, which makes it really quick and easy. So let's look at what we need for our card. I have a card base, which I cut the opposite direction from what I normally cut. So this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock cut in half, hot dog style, measures 4 1/4 by 11. I have a piece of red cardstock that measures 3 1/8 by 5.5. My designer paper measures 3 inches by 5.5. And then I have my die cut dog, and I have these adorable letters that say Woof, and I cut them out using our new Playful Alphabet dies. I really like this die set. Anytime you want to put something on a card and you know that you're not going to find it in a pre-made stamp set or die set, letters like this are perfect. I love the size of these because they're small enough that you could fit most of what you'd probably want to write on a card. And I just have to show you this. One thing I love about this, they printed the letters onto this piece of cardboard so that you know where they're supposed to go back, and you can see if you're missing any of them before you put them away. So that's really handy. So I already cut these out. I used our new adhesive sheets on the back of here, which basically turn these into stickers. So if you have not seen my video on those adhesive sheets, I encourage you to look it up because these are fantastic. It's going to make it really easy to stick those onto my card. So let's go ahead and start putting this together. So I need to attach my red cardstock first. If you're wondering about the cat card, I used Flirty Flamingo for the color on the cat card on this one. This is a real red. These prints in this paper pack are so much fun, and this one in particular I thought was so cute with the little paw prints. This print, I don't know if you can see what's on there. I'll see if I can read some of it to you. So it says snooze, yawn, paw, jump, love, meow, purr. And I think those are all of the words just over and over again. So pretty cute. Now on attaching these letters, I am starting over here on the right side and working my way back because I want to make sure that my spacing works out okay. And I'm not confident that if I start with the W and work my way with this way that it will work out. So I'm going backwards. Like I said, I use those adhesive sheets on the backs of here, so I'm peeling the paper backing off. It is basically like a sticker, and now I just need to stick it right on there, which is amazing compared to, you know, using glue or some glue alternative that takes more work than this. So get my W on here. Now I'm basically ready to attach this little puppy dog, but I do want to add some of our trim. This also coordinates with the same product suite. This trim pack comes with this black and white twine, and it also comes with some red and white stitched ribbon. That's a real thin, small ribbon. So the red one also would have coordinated well with this card. But I thought this black and white baker's twine was really cute. So I have to tell you, normally when I make my videos, I'm by myself and I have to like get my head in the game, get myself all calmed down so that I can do this and remember what I want to say. And so my husband's sitting here in the room with me now, which is completely unusual. This like never happens. So he's making me nervous. You want to say hi? Cricket. Cricket. He doesn't want to say hi. All right, we got the ends trimmed on the bow. I don't know if you noticed this. When I tie twine like this, I tie a complete knot in it before I do my bow. I find that that really helps me be able to work with it a little bit better and not be trying to hold it tight and make the bow all at the same time. So just put a knot in it and then do your bow. So we need a couple of dimensionals on the back of this cute little puppy dog. Stick that right. Let's see, I'm going to move my bow to the right a touch because I want to be able to get all of him on here and not have to cut his little tail off when I stick it in an envelope. Okay, I like that. I like how the bow lays over him. I like how he's over the W just a little bit. Now I have a little surprise that was not on this card. We have these little embellishments called Playful Pets trinkets. So I'll show them to you up close. We have little hearts and little bones. And I couldn't pass up the chance to use these on this card. So I am just going to put a glue dot on the back. And then I'm going to put this right up under that bow and make it look like it's hanging from the bow, even though it's not. Same thing with the heart. I'm going to put a heart onto the cat card. And I just love those. I think those are too cute. So we're almost done, except I have not done my stamping on the inside. I almost forgot. Blame it on my husband. It's his fault. I got a little snicker out of him that time. That's a success. So we'll put the little dog dish at the bottom. Here, I'll show you the inside of this one. So it says, I hope your day is a real treat. And this one I stamped the little mouse. I'm going to use the same greeting on this one. So you could make this a birthday card. You can make it all sorts of things if you added a birthday greeting or something else under there. But I just love these, featuring our new Playful Pets product suite, and I hope you like them too. Hope you have a great day, and I hope to see you again next time.